yesterday I was doing Montezuma's Revenge project. So today probably I'm going to continue that. And I don't know, I hope I would finish it, but who knows. So, actually I didn't show you, but I made a first level map and I solved it. The problem is that I have done this by hand, and what the free software could offer me. So the image is 4,000 or by 4,000. It was the maximum, and I kind of calculated the maximum length in all the sides. If this pyramid would be a full, is like 19 pieces for the bottom line. And 19 pieces, that means one piece should be like 250 pixels width. And yeah, so that's what it looks like. The quality is questionable because, well, when you shrink it, the quality gets a little bit worse. Yeah, so we are seeing a layout of the first level, but I wanted to finish my first iteration so that I could do this automatically, and then I could do this with web development tools, and probably the quality would be much better. Okay, so let's finish that again. I need to my Docker. Let's see my Docker containers. I don't need these. I need no. I need to start these. Good. Nice. So if I open my browser, I don't need YouTube. I need what? And Revenge. Yeah. Do I need browser? No, I don't think I need browser. I need another, or just this one. I need a command line, yeah. Yeah, I need a command line inside Docker container, so okay. I have my command line. What else? Okay, I was working by day on this one, but okay, let's open and revenge. Spindle. As I remember, apps, public, private, it's everything is here. And maybe let's open the same images from this repos and revenge, storage app, private. Yeah. And if we see resized, we see that not everything is resizable. So sometimes it does mistakes. So I want to re-resize the images that are failed. So I need to upgrade my code a little bit. So I know that this is my command, not app. What are all the commands? Console commands, yep, generate map. Yeah, so there is size. So I need to upgrade it. I think we need to make an array of files that needs to be re-resized. And if the array is empty, then standard functionality is applied. So maybe I need private something. The most difficult part is to think of the name of the variable. Files. Images. To resize is an array. And now I need all the images that are failed. And this list will be updated constantly. So 1. Do I need .png? I don't think so. It's all of it's PNG, so I just need to 1 minus 0. Of course, it's like that. 3 minus 0. Okay. 3 minus 0. 4 minus 2. 5 minus 3. How does he know that 5 minus 3 is kind of good guess? But 6 4 is not. 6 1. 7 1. Lucky guess, I guess. 7 1. 8 1. It's 8 0. 8 0 7 4. 7 4. 8 0. Yeah, this is the width. Yeah, this is the width. Okay. 7 0 7 4. 7 4 7 1 7 4 8 0 8 5 8 5 9 0 and 9 6. This is image to resize. Okay, so Now, okay, he gets all the rooms. But now I need to select only those rooms. So it's not get, or maybe get columns. I don't remember how to where in yeah, I remember where in column values is an array, yeah, mixed. Okay, so here not empty percent. Okay, if not empty my array this image to resize, then what I could do is rooms is equal to all these maybe table rooms, and we have where int type yep. I see. So it returns what? Builder. And this returns a collection. So I don't need the else part. So I need to initiate a table. Then I need to do this. And then I need to do that. Should be good. Yeah. No rooms found in database. Yeah, that's good, I think. Now I need to execute the script. So they will make directory resized. I want to check how it works, create directory, but does this check if it exists or not? I don't know what it uses. Create directory. It should be checking, I think. Well, we will get an error if it's bad, but yeah, array, of course. Image to the size. Nice. Let's copy the signature, add column type. It's not type. Type, not type. Okay, let's see. I'm pretty sure it's type. It's file name probably. Or it's file name, not the type, what I'm doing. File name, what's that? Is empty. Is not found in builder. Because it's not a builder anymore. Yep. Right. Really? Ah, I need to add those PNGs. Ah. Can I use like? It would be faster, I guess. Where like? Where in? No. PNGs. Okay. Okay, so is it the same? 1, 1, 1, 0. It's the same. Refresh. What? Why? It's not accessible again, so it recreated. How to do that? Storage minus L minus R. Four two and 6 and 7 4. So did it recreate it? 4 2 7 4. Okay, let's do it. One more time. 4 2 7 4. We don't need this. Whoops. Whoops. Okay, let's run again. Not that. This. Nice. Okay, so now every image should be exactly 1000 on 1600 width and 1200 height. All images should be exactly the same. Yep. Good. Now we need to merge them by particular order into one big single image. For 0 to 1, 8 3. I didn't see them. Maybe I need to run for those also. -1, 4 minus 0, 8 minus 3. 3 files, yeah. Nice. Okay. Private. The size. Okay. Ooh. Interesting. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, so there should be another command probably, because this command should be run multiple times until it does the job correctly, because it's unreliable. So probably we need to generate another one. It was generate map. It's not a generate map. I need to rename it. Generate map. Resize. Let's resize. Size images. Resize images. I can need that. Map. Generate map. Generate map. Can I edit it? No, of course. Okay. Can I edit now? Yep. Okay, let's copy something from here probably. Maybe need this. Wait a second. What's that? I don't know if I need it or not. Files local disk. Need those. Maybe need these. I don't know. I didn't analyze that. I know that I don't need all this. Okay, I don't need this. I don't need this. So I add PNG. Then I image to the size. If not empty, then okay, and then it resizes. Magic read. Image manager. Okay. Let's see what's that. Yeah. So first things first, we will need to take everything from database. Image to the size. Still, I need everything. This empty probably obvious. I need almost everything, but I need all sizable. I don't need a command for now. I just need all the rooms. It's not empty, okay. Now rooms block. Okay. So I have location X, location Y. What does it mean block? I don't remember. Get the values of a given array. Okay. So rooms. So it's all X values, so it's all Y values. Now I need the Y max. I can use this function, yeah? Max excess of flowers. What do you suggest? Suggest something? No? Min equals, yeah. And min x, I guess. Max, how does this work? It's actually taking the higher value of those two. Max, min, key. I don't know. Let's ask ChatGPT. Okay, maybe I will put this in the second monitor. Actually, it works like that. Probably. Comments in Lithuanian, sure. Maybe we don't need that. Let it be for now. What's it started with? Why am I calculating this? Because it's for the size. I don't need it. Stupid me. Silly me. Canvas width and canvas height. So I need to know I need to know how many files are there. So it's kind of easy. We need to kind of complicated actually. Canvas. It's not too difficult. So I need to iterate through everything like here. Okay, let's do that. Let's iterate through. And let's take wait a second. Location X and location Y. I have all the locations. Okay, so I need those locations. Nice. And I need min and max. Yes, I need min and max. So ChatGPT probably width is the maximum minus minimum on x-axis plus 1 because 0 counts. Imagine the right side is like 9 and the left side is like 9, so it's not minus, it's plus. Yeah, it's plus. But it depends. Or maybe minus. What if the maximum value is like, for example, the maximum value is, for example, minus 3. And the minimum is like minus 9. But it won't be the case. It will never be this case. But let's assume. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. So we have like 6 rooms. So if we in total we will have minus 6, but does it matter? I think we need ABS value and plus 1. We need plus 1 when it's between positive and negative, so it's a little bit more complicated because there are 3 scenarios, as you know. So this should be 6. This should be 6, yeah? Third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, it's 7. So that's why it's plus 1. We need third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. It's 7, yeah. So plus 1. So it's 7. Now, what if we have like minus 2 and minus 1, so it's obviously 2 rooms. And if we, it should be 2. Now, what if we add another thing like 2 and 1? So it will be 2 also. Also, it's plus 1. From the other side, what if we add like from minus 1 to plus 1? So it will be 3 rooms. It's minus first, 0 and plus 1. So it will be 3 rooms. And if we also plus 1, so it counts. So it counts kinda correctly. And if we go from -5 to +5, it's 11 rooms. Okay, so the formula works in all the cases. And the target width. So this multiplies by the image, I guess, my single image. So I know the maximum amount. Okay. And now I don't know what functions should I use. Can I create manager? Manager image. At this point, I don't have any experience working with that, so I don't know. Image manager, yeah, image manager, image. What are you returning? Self. Image manager. Okay. Create. Width height. All right. And what if I save? Immediately, I want to see if this works. I create an image. Let's also create a storage path. Make directory, yeah. And save. Yep. Okay. I don't need to resize. Save. Resized. It's not resized. Let's create test, whatever. Test image PNG, for example. Generate map. Console command already exists. Yeah, because I need to change this name. The size images. Generate map is generate map. Why? Size image. Maybe it doesn't understand. Okay, let's make an existing image, like 2 minus 9, for example. And let's add precise images, for example. Precise images. Goes file database, nice. Why is that error? App console kernel is generated automatically. There's no kernel here. Probably it was kernel in earlier versions, now there's not. So how does he know that generate map already exists? What is that Fortify? I have never used it. All service provider, also never used it. App service provider, it's empty. External service provider. Of course. Providers, app. Providers. Good, app. Okay. Maybe it's cached. Maybe it's cached somehow. Nope. It's not session, of course. I don't understand. Why this command is the same? One, for example. It will work, but if I name it to one, then it will work. It will work. I don't want it to rename. It's the only one usage. Okay, generate map. Just map. App map. And it should work. I'm able to create new image. Why? We need to read the documentation how to use it. Image manager, user guide. Don't even know if I'm looking at the same shit. Image manager, intervention image. Yeah, intervention image. Okay, so image drawing, no. Animations, custom modifiers, resize, no. Insert images, that's what I need. Create a test image from the file. Read and create images. Okay, let's see how to use this. I want to create image, for example. So it's just simple as that. Course. GD, image driver, GD driver. I don't even know which one. Maybe GD. Let's import GD. Image. Fill. Okay. I wonder if it's possible to create a bib. Zero. It will be a black image. And let's just save in test directory. Save. No, it's not saving. How to save an image? Live save is not working because it's image that needs to be saving, not the manager. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Why it's working so long? Wow. Test, of course. Test. Yep. That's about right. Okay, so now I need to add another image on top of that. If I manage to do this, then I need to calculate all the positions of all the images. First of all, I need to know how to add. So I have the image that I have created. And now what documentation says, I want to insert images. Yes, insert images. So I need to read another image. Manager, image, manager, read. Okay, so it's the first image. Paste another image. Image place. It should be place. Is there a place? Yes. Another image into the current image instance. So I am taking an element. Okay, so this is another image path. Then position, offset, opacity. Yeah, it's top left. Top left, okay. By default, opacity on 100, okay. Right. So image place. And what do I need to place? Let's place it for each rooms and zoom. Those rooms are my images from database, so I have all the names. And the position is in the file name. So image place. Okay. So the first I need the rescale, yes. Okay, so the first image would be private. Resized, private and resized. And file name. File name and .png. I have these file names already, so okay, I don't need this png. Just to add file name. Okay, this is the first argument. It's the file name. Second argument would be top left. The third argument would be what? Third argument would be offset. So we need offsets only. So let's put offset. Now I need to calculate. Okay, first I need to extract those two numbers. No, actually don't, because I have the position already. I have the position already, so if I have -9, that means it's the most left position. So I need to take the minimum number. Still, I need the minimum number, but I already have it from here. Position X. How to calculate the most minimum number, like -9, for example. -9. We will be subtracting current position, location X, plus 1 maybe? Let's see. And by the size. Because these are the constants, probably I need to register a constant. Const file. If I want to change this at some point, I think it's vice versa. Minimum would always be 0. For sure, minimum would always be 0. You don't need to calculate. It's 0. Whatever. So location Y plus 1. Height. I don't know. Let's try it. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Something is happening, but I wonder how much time it will take, because it took, oh, it's fast. Okay. Let's see what happened. If my code is actually correct. Only one file. At least the quality is good here. All right, but I have managed to add the file, and it's in the right place. And as I remember, no, it's not in the right place because there is one more line beneath of that. But this is the only file that's kind of in the right place. File name resized. Yep. 0 PNG, but the 0 PNG, it's location 00, yeah. Okay, let's debug a little bit. I want to see the values of these locations. Maybe let's calculate locations offset X and offset Y. ABS. 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 It's an absolute value because sometimes it can be a negative number, but actually I need the actual number, so it will be ABS. Times, yeah, and almost the same stuff. Y. Okay, it suggested me kinda nice. Good. Now I want to see actual values. I need my Xdebug example, how to run it. Sun map. Okay, let's enlarge this. So min x is minus 9. So offset is something is wrong. It cannot be 12,800. Min x is minus 9. Room location x is 0. So the minus 9 plus 1. Do I need plus 1? I don't need plus 1. times self width. Nonsense. From location y plus 1 is 1 times. Yeah, this is good, but what the fuck is this? So I don't need plus 1 for sure. But what the fuck is this? 12,800? Why? Minimum minus location times file width. The fuck? Again, minus 9, location x is 1. So minus 9 minus 1 is minus 10. ABS, it's 10. Ah, this is a bad math. Okay, terminate. So I have those locations. So minus 9 minus 9 would be at the, yeah, it's probably right, I think. I don't know. Let's make another one without minus 1 and let's see what happens. I really am close. Okay, I really am close. What do I need? Image. Open. Yes! Nice! I got it. So my calculations was correct, except that plus 1. So now I have automated everything. So now I just need to add the screenshots and put more levels. This is nice. Really nice quality. Yeah, so I need to play more game. All the key positions. Okay, that's it for today. Iteration 1 is complete. The second iteration will be, I guess I will need to change a little bit of my code that to add more levels into this, because this is only the first level, so there are more levels, and this is the task for another day. So thanks. Bye for now.